You afraid to get the camera? It's okay right now. You're so handsome. You look like a film actor. And yeah. And Geraldine said that you're like a Willis.
Willis? Shall I hold this?
It's no, it's okay. We can talk because I can edit this. I can put voice. Yeah, it's you are look like.
When you leave home this time, I can drive you to Trondheim.
Oh.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I can spend time with you in the car.
Oh.
Maybe spend some money on how to drive. I like to drive.
Yeah. Cannot. So guys, dito kami sa ano to, boundary of Sweden. So dito kami ng aking ano, so ano niya ako. Pinasyal niya ako at ito po yung ano, yung parang yung ano diyan, yung sapa, yan. Ang ganda ng area. So very nice. Yan, tingnan. Tapos ang ano niyan guys, dito is ano to siya, lake po to siya. At mostly mga people nakatira dito is like vacation. Isa nag-fishing po dito, sabi ng boyfriend ko. So ayan. So yan po ang pag summer, maganda tong area na to kasi ito nga isa, ano to siya, lake to siya. So dito po yung mga tao dito pag summer nag-fishing dito na ano. Yan. So yan po yung ano doon, maganda. So mas maganda to siya guys pag pumunta dito isa summer kasi maganda ang ano niya ang lugar. Tapos pag summer marami ditong pumupunta at malaki tong lake at dito po sila nagpi-fishing. Ayan.
We can go out there.
Where?
In the summer we can go out there with the boat and we can sit fishing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a really...
Yes, that's nice.
Stay.
Huh? Yes. That's a picture.
That's my man.
Okay, nice.
That's my man. Guys, dito kami guys. Ano, walking. This is outside the Steinser. This is a video, not live.
It's not live?
No.
You can edit it?
Huh?
If I'll
I can.
edit after?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
And I need to edit to make.
Yeah.
I can talk.
Yeah. You edit the voices?
Mm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
If you want, we can go around this lake.
Yeah.
Across the...
I like this.
You can sit there and eat the banana.
Not now. I'm not hungry. Wow. It's very amazing. What, you can read it?
You go up there and around there.
Okay.
See if you can find... You can put it in the backpack.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
if you just open the zipper and I don't have to take it off. You find it?
Yeah, I found it.
You want some water?
No.
Yes, like that. There's the toilet.
Ah, this is the toilet.
With the door.
Okay. Dito kami guys. Nag-walking. Yan po yung mga tao dito na mag-walking. Ito po yung CR nila. So, ganda ng paligid. Napapawisan ako guys. Asan? Ano lang yung masyadong dahil to nag-melted tong snow kaya madulas minsan yan mad yan yan, madulas yan guys ano to guys, mga strawberry to. Ito mga blueberry. Karamihan kasi dito sa Norway, ang forest nila dito marami mga wild berry. Tuturo ko kayo dito. Ayan guys, may ano pa dito, snow na iwan, pero hindi na masyadong maraming snow. Medyo ano na, melted na yung snow. The other side, ano na, natutunan na yan guys, mga blueberry yan. Yan mga blueberry lahat yan. Dito po tayo dito guys kasi ice yung inapakan ko. But as now I'm living for 10 years in Norway, I know how to walk in the snow. Sometimes I'm falling. That's in life. When you fall, you have to get up again. Like I have a life before. Huh? You don't think so?
We're not going away from the lake. The lake is from there. And if you're going around,
Oh,
and further away.
okay.
Let's just check it.
What kind of this my tourist guide? My tourist guide is not good. I'm joking, my love.
Because I haven't gone around that lake before, so
It's okay. Yan, ganda ng lugar dito guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, ano na yan, nag-melted na yung snow there. Yeah, look at it. Ano yan, medyo nasa taas na yan. Pero tingnan nyo yung snow, ano na, unti-unti nang nag-melted. So by the next month or May, you should go back. Okay. There's nothing exciting in this road.
now we're coming to a farm along our
Okay. Yeah, I should go back.
yeah, because see I should take down the map.
Okay, it's okay, my love. There's no problem. Balik kami guys kasi hindi daw tama tong nadaanan namin. So, kasi guys, ikot kami doon sa lake eh. Ikot kami doon. Dito kami guys, sa gilid ng river. Kasi ito yung right na daanan na ikutin namin tong river na to. Nasa kami. So pag summer dito guys, ang dami talaga dito mga red berries. Ayan. So full of berries tong forest na to pag summer. So lahat ng mga tao dito pupunta dito mamitas ng mga mga red o blueberry. Ayan guys, so paano na po yan sila, oh. Yan yung pandahon niya, oh. Palapit na po yan, mga siguro by May sisimula na yung mamulaklak at mamumunga na yan.
It's nice to fish in the summer too.
This one? This area?
Yeah.
So, pag summer talaga, ito mga tao dito nangunguha ng blueberry tapos mga mushrooms. Masarap kaya ang mushroom na mga sa Norway guys. Lalo na yung tinatawag na kantarin. May iba't ibang klase kasi ang mga kantaril. May iba't ibang klaseng mga mushroom dito sa Norway. At yan, napakasarap. Lalo na iluto sa butter. So, yan. Dito kami guys, binaybay namin itong sa gilid ng river. So, sabi ng jowa ko, daw, may nagpipishing naman dito kasi dito kasi sa Norway kahit na kahit na may snow yan or ice, i-drill nila yan lagi gawa sila ng butas at doon sila magpipising. Imagine naman yung bubuhay pa rin yung fish kahit na napopro sila. So talagang gawa ng Panginoon, mo talaga imposible na mangyari, pero siyempre gawa ng Panginoon, kaya ganyan din natin maintindihan, pero sa kanyang pagkapangyarihan kahit na yung isda na may snow dyan, nabubuhay pa rin. So ito guys, medyo maingat rin tayo kasi yung daanan medyo icy pa. Yan po ang maganda naman dito sa Norway guys, lalo na pag summer. Ayan. Ayan. Ito pa, wala na kasi ang ang snow dito kasi spring na kasi dito guys. Ayan. Yung may mga poles kaming nadaanan. Ayan, kiririnig nyo yan. Sana wala, hindi. Yan guys, so narinig nyo yung ano na yan ng water. It's nice to hear that. Iyad na ako, yawas gani. Yan. Okay guys, see you the next video. Thank you for watching. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, so fit tip ng daanan. Imagine. Oh, tingnan nyo to. This is I climbing in the Mount Apo but I don't have ice. This is very dangerous when you're pulling down.
My boyfriend is French. He's like me here.
It's okay, my love. I will bring you to Philippines,
Yeah,
and we can
it's not so much ice there.
we can climb in Mount Apo. You will everything in your walk. It's hell.
Yeah, and it's not so much ice.
No. This
See
is
that big rock is full on the track?
yeah.
It's come from that side, I think.
That's why I was really careful because when I hold on, I get.
Yeah. You have to be careful.
I have trouble. I don't want to accident. Simba ko. So guys, so ang ganda ng view. Nandito kami sa sa mataas at nasa baba po isa po yan, lake po yan. Nandito kami yan guys. So ang ganda talaga ng view dito guys. So, tingnan nyo guys. Pag nahulog yan, patay. Hindi, maganda yan oh. Yan. Nasa taas kami. Ayan, dito kami. Dumating na kami dito sa namin pinuntahan. Ganda talaga ng view guys. Oh. Ayan, boyfriend ko nag-ano na yan. Ganda talaga guys. Ayan, yung lugar po niya. Dito kami. Nasa 1 oras na kaming naglalakad. Tapos guys, kaya lang lang bad weather today kasi medyo may kunting nag-uulan. Ayan, umuulan ng kunti. So yan. So it's about 8 degrees. At ito lang cloudy at medyo umuulan, kunting ulan lang. Pero na-enjoy naman kami sa aming pagmungok. Ayan. Yan guys, yung mga blueberries yan. Okay, balik na kami. Pababa na kami guys. At ito pa rin, may pa rin, may mga konting snow pa rin. It's something. This way?
Yeah.
Come on, my love. My love.
Sorry?
Come.
What?
It's nice.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, it's very nice. Oh. That's nice.
I can also, this one like my love. I can make a more, there. See that?
It's all there.